Listen, Tiny Chef.
Welcome back to Tiny Chef. Did you know that I can give you cooking steps at the pace you want? So if you're familiar with the recipe, just ask me to speak faster. And if you're looking to cook leisurely, ask me to speak slower. Try it next time. What do you feel like cooking today?
Empty my fridge.
Let's tidy up and find joy in a meal. What ingredients do you have in your fridge today?
Mushroom and broccoli.
Okay. Let me give you 2 mushroom broccoli recipes: broccoli mushroom and penne bake, and mixed mushroom with bean curd. Would you like to pick one of these?